PI.
3, 2,
And
I'm
they're
not
like,
gonna lie, mate. I think you're literally the only one who cares about DPS.
oh yeah,
As long
man.
as you're not doing ridiculous low amounts, then anyone cares.
Yeah, no one cares about DPS in World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft definitely hasn't been min-maxed to shit because of people caring about DPS so much. Shut up, Jimmy.
Is it boss week or ad week?
Ad week. Ooh, that's what I like to see, Jimmy. Yes. I feel the power, and the Warlock died, which is fucking huge for me. I mean, not for the group, but like, why would I give a shit about that?
Watch your step.
Pedro, Pedro, la 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 la. No fucking way! He did way more damage than me. Mate, when are they nerfing Shadow Priests? Have they said when they're doing it, or?
Yeah, mate.
Must be soon, surely. Because that is fucking vile.
What's fire?
How much damage he just did, despite me popping ultimate power and him dying at the start. I'm actually quite angry. Like, you realise every time I get out DPS, I am forced to reroll, sadly.
I forgot you give yourself that FX.
Yeah. This. Oh, he should give me. I'm gonna say, priest, PI me, not warlock. Okay, smile. I will actually pay 100 gold for PI. You cheat bastard, mate. I would have paid way more than that. I would have given you like 5k for it. You fool.
Yeah.
It's bad that I probably would have.
Charging.
Because like, at the end of the day, mate, it's PI, isn't it? It's just like another.
I have heard it is PR.
It's just like another buff. So like, why wouldn't you? It's like another potion or whatever. Plus, mate, this dirty warlock doesn't deserve it. He's a goblin. Who plays goblins?
Charging.
Go play Guild Wars 2, you goblin.
Or if you're against Guild Wars 2.
Nothing. They just have goblins in it. Oh, priest died, mate. No, I don't want his dirty PI now.
Do I want a rifle or a shield?
I need to turn you down because that broke my ears. And a rifle? Why would you want a shield?
Because I think a rifle is two-handed, but a shield is just
Watch your step.
Why am I just...
Ooh.
That's fucked up my DPS. I'm sorry, Jimmy.
Is there a way to know what skills are on tonight?
If you open your character sheet, you should be able to see what skills are for what weapon.
Watch your step.
Okay.
Collapse.
You sword me.
I'm glad that I know the tactics, but the tank doesn't, so I get the aggro off all the little guys while he fucking... Why is Jimmy being slain?
Watch your step.
Haven't the Warlock had? I think the Warlock is aggro.
Nine. Tank has no idea what he's doing, does he? I should have tanked.
Kill out.
Rifles are cool looking.
I pistol.
I'm gonna die to aggro. Oh, Jimmy, you saved me, thank you.
Interrupt. Watch your step. Run out.
Oh, I should probably battle res the thing, shouldn't I? Guess I'll battle res him. If you're gonna complain about it, Jimmy.
Watch your step.
I'm gonna have to ask him if he's new, you know? Because he's looking pretty new. My cooldowns are up, but I'll just save them for the next pack instead of...
Watch your step.
Nah, don't even try and steal my dragon.
Good work, champion. Now that you have secured the pools below, I require your aid above.
Look at the warlock's damage. Why is 40% of it from brain? Why is he using
The exposed
Channel
pools
Demon
are
Fire and
great
Fell
danger.
Barrage?
A
What?
powerful primalist is attempting to burn all the nesting areas.
Is he
You
trolling?
must clear them to get to her.
It's obviously working
I
if
will
he's
keep
top of
watch
DPS.
from above while
He's
I engage
not.
the dragon who is leading this
He's
assault.
barely out DPS from the tank.
Quickly, take the aim.
Breath incoming.
Isn't that because he died? He was like doing some stuff like
Well, he's not top of damage, is he? Go away, Jimmy. I'll use my defenses.
Breath
Just
incoming. Breath incoming. Breath incoming.
man, we need to +3 this key for my new subscribers, Jimmy. My beloved fans.
that. Yeah, really cool.
Yeah.
The rifle's cool too, actually.
AOE incoming.
Okay, American Omega Low. Jamie, England doesn't have gun ranges, does it?
No.
Okay, I didn't think it did, because Mitsubishi was asking, and I was like, no, I don't think we have that. I don't see why we would.
AOE incoming. Run.
Mitsubishi.
Crowd control.
See, if I was this priest, I would actually give PI to the warlock, just because I'm about to start out DPSing this priest soon. And seeing as he's like 20 items levels higher than me, he should be kind of ashamed.
Aren't you just sort of admitting that you're not trying to clear the dungeon?
Well, I don't care about clearing the dungeon.
Crowd control incoming.
I learned from a good paladin called Charlie Hatcherstains that World of Warcraft is about being top of the
AOE
meters.
incoming.
Whether it's BG, Battlegrounds, or Raid, you have to be top of the meters.
Crowd control. AOE incoming.
Can't just heal.
But then you can't use your rifle. Get a new
Shield
expansion, mate, and then you can use a spear. How sick is that?
Huge ball.
Wait, I just realised They added the spear, but they didn't add the spear class in Guild Wars 1. No way. They must have. There's no way they do that, right? Was it cool? Not the dervish, because that was the scythe one. Do you remember, Jimmy?
And then pick it was one.
No. Nice troll, Jimmy. Imagine.
Target you.
Could you imagine if there was someone who actually didn't play Guild Wars 1? That'd be tragic.
AOE incoming. Ground control.
It's like the single best MMO the human race has ever seen.
Why aren't we playing it then?
No way.
Because it's a single player game.
Did you not just spawn in?
It is an MMO.
How is it a single player game?
Because you can play through the whole thing solo.
Let me make it a single player game.
It does when no one else is playing it, yeah.
Ground control.
The Nightfall campaign, mate. That was good back in the day.
AOE incoming.
Want it, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Can I pull this dragon? Did he just... Oh.
Ret incoming.
The rifle actually busts. It actually has like a Bible.
But no one else plays Guild Wars 2, so you won't be buffing anymore.
Ret incoming.
There's like loads of people playing. I don't know why they're doing this. Like level 3000.
More people play Aeon. I mean, there can't people like Talon that really got to play Aeon.
Yo, I was well up for playing Aeon. It was all just a trick to see if you were true fans of Aeon. And Emily like gave up on it instantly, so clearly she was not a true fan of Aeon.
I downloaded most of it, and then you were like, "Oh no, we're not playing it." I was like, "kind of disappointed."
Yeah, it was a trick to see if you were a true fan of Aeon, and clearly you weren't. Honestly, I was quite disappointed.
Are you gonna come Guild Wars 2?
Yeah, I'll download it after this.
AOE incoming.
Well, I mean, I don't know, I'll download it at some point. Jimmy, you can actually dodge that. Ready to heal myself.
AOE incoming. Run. Crowd control.
I'm now officially over the Shadow Priest.
Interrupt.
What a fucking loser, mate. I'm gonna ask if he's new.
Troll.
What? Oh, should I link my videos to our new guild so they can see how toxic I am?
Yeah.
They can see past the nice persona that I portray, and they can see the core of hatred within. Where I would rather be the highest DPS in a failing raid than the lowest DPS in a succeeding raid. I feel like everyone thinks like that.
No.
Shockwave.
Not you, silly. I meant us alpha mates. He better not be running that way. He better not be... I'm done.
Bait nav.
He did that on purpose.
Shockwave. Killers. Bait nav. Shockwave. Interrupt 1. Run. Bait nav. Shockwave. Watch your feet. Collides.
Yeah, Jamie, as soon as I get a high enough Mythic Plus score, let's just queue for 10s, to be honest.
Yeah.
Shockwave.
Because this is a 9 and this was incredibly easy. I'm even top of the damage. It's just people just not inviting because they're like, oh,
Monster. I protect
his
these
Mythic
night
Plus level is low, therefore he must be bad.
Mm-mm.
Little do they know, they're missing out on literally the best Ret Paladin in EU. Voted by committee. I'm bubbling, so don't worry about hitting me. How cool would it be if you get to
AoE incoming.
summon Deathwing as a shaman?
You can.
You can?
Yeah.
How?
You just summon him, you start with death ring over him, mate.
Is that the new, like, remake you were talking about?
Yeah.
Enthroned.
I just accidentally
AoE
interrupted
incoming.
one of, like, the small things. Ooh. It's okay, Jimmy, I have the real thing now.
Enthroned.
When do I unlock talent?
Don't get talents in
AoE
guilds.
incoming.
You have the hero
Someone-
point.
Someone
Oh,
had
you have to
ring
do the
and-
expansion.
Enthroned.
Someone had the ring and that ripped good in there.
I had them before and I didn't have any.
Oh, I thought you had to do the I don't know. I could have sworn you had to start the expansion.
Oh, it's level 11.
I used to play Elementalist until I realised it was really complicated. Then I played. Don't remember. All of them probably.
AoE incoming.
Alright, it's not even gonna let me do anything. Just goals altogether.
I think I meant to dodge that, aren't you?
Yeah.
I want you to know that I sacrificed my
Attack shield.
DPS to revive you.
Well,
AoE incoming.
Jimmy's gone. Well,
You're welcome, my son.
Attack shield.
Yeah, I did that so wrong. Well,
Thank
who's bullying you? Is it Jimmy?
you.
How am I bullying you?
AoE
I'm
incoming.
playing Guild with Jimmy.
I'm making the content for my many fans on YouTube.
Queen cannot stop us. We are the truth.
you're recording on conspiracy.
Breath
Tank,
incoming.
please. Tank, I'm sorry. Tank, I'm sorry.
Defense
I know I pulled it, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Please. He was gonna let me die, Jimmy. Do you see that rudeness?
Breath incoming.
Yeah.
I had to like pop my defensives and everything, mate. It was like downright disrespectful. I'm gonna stand on the Shadow Priest with my flame to try and lower their DPS a bit. 200 IQ play. Isn't that pretty smart though, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Oh, I just realised he's going to destroy my DPS on this because he's going to AoE. I need to pull some of the little ads.
Run out.
Get ready to heal me, Jimmy, because I pulled some of the little ads. Yeah, who you going to out DPS now, cunt? No one.
Run out.
Eh.
Run out.
See what I did there is referred to as a Giga Chad move. Putting the entire key at risk to make sure I secure top DPS. Good job, Jimmy. That's good.
Yeah, you go.
Wow.
Thank you,
And
Champ.
53 gold.
Light
Well,
pools
Jimmy
are
got 2
safe
items
for
in a
the
row.
moment, but the primalists are
Wow.
still a threat. We must be vigilant, lest we be caught off guard again.